Assalamualaikum. Smoky chicken biryani. Oil. Onion 750 grams. Fry 5-7 minutes. Finally, onion fry. Chicken 1 kilogram. Yogurt. Biryani masala. Ready biryani masala. Salt. Three-quarters minutes cook. Tomato 3-4. Green chili and garlic paste. 9/10 minutes cook. Potato 500 grams. Koila. Oil. Boiling rice water. Zira. Rice 1.5 kilograms. Cook 10-12 minutes. Rice tea. Subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment. Food color. Dam. Koila dam. Ready my smoky chicken biryani. Subscribe to my channel.